With the AD Pro Toolkit, you can copy a user's group membership from one user to another user. So for this example, you can see Adam is a member of these groups and Albert is a member of these two groups. So with the toolkit, I'm going to select this account and then I will copy all of the groups to this account. So come under Group Management, copy user groups, and then just select your source account. Adam, and then I'll select the account I want to copy the groups to. And you can select more than one account. And then just click Run. So now if I come back into Active Directory, refresh these two accounts, I'll open up, let's see, Albert, go to Properties. You can see now that Albert is now a member of all the groups that Adam is a member of. Let me open this one back up. And there you can see. So now Albert is a member of all the groups that Adam is a member of. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.